Hello everyone and welcome to SE Geek, the internet's most passionate software engineering show. I am your host, the Software Engineering Geek, and this show we're going to be showing you some advanced features of GetLog. So sit back and let the knowledge flow in because SE Geek begins now. Okay, this time we're going to go deeper into GetLog and just different ways to look at your repository and pull information out. First thing I'm going to do, rather than actually go into GetLog, I'm going to show you a new command called getgrep. And I'll give it the parameter -n. And then I can give it either a string or a regular expression. Just to be funny, I'm going to give it the string regex. And what this will do is actually look through my whole entire repository, not through any commits, but just through the whole entire repository of the current working directory for regex and give me the file and the line number and a little just one line diff. So we'll run that. Now, since I have this blown up, you can't see it because it goes off the screen, so I'll make this a little bit smaller, and hopefully you'll be able to read it. But you can see here's the file name, the actual line number, and just that line. So this is good if you just want to do a global search for a particular string throughout your whole entire repository and just track down, where regex is. There are other parameters for this. Right now, obviously, I get like regex, and I also get. I know I've seen in here, but I'll get it as part of words and stuff like that. But there are other options, if you want to be specific with casing and stuff like that. So let's make this a little bigger again and clear that. Oops. Actually get out of here and clear that. So that's one way to actually, just track something down in your repository. Another way is to use what's called get pickax, which there is no pickaxe command, but if you do get log, I don't know why it's called pickaxe particularly, but -s for pickaxe, I guess. You can give it a string, and what this will do is it will actually go through the whole entire repository, all the commits, and find instances where regex, the string, has either been introduced or removed. Now, if you replace that -s with a -g, you can put a regular expression rather than a string. So we'll run with this, and we'll actually give it a -u and go with that. So if we look through here, now it's probably off the screen, so I've run this before, and I'm sure if I made that smaller, I'd see. Well, actually, maybe it's just an instance of it being removed. I'm not sure, but let's go down. Here we go. Here's an instance of regex being removed, and let's see. So, and it's showing me a lot more context than I actually asked for, but I'm sure there's regex somewhere here being introduced, although I can't see it because I think in these particular files a lot of stuff was introduced at the same time along with that, so it's actually kind of hard to see what changed, or a lot of stuff was deleted at the same time. Probably a bad choice. Let's try something else. Let's try print line. So, okay, let's see here. Well, it's showing me the diffs, and I'm sure print line is in here somewhere. or has been removed somewhere. It's kind of hard to see. System not out. Dot print line. Oh, there's one. Actually, I think it's just my color scheme is a little off. And here they are. So it's like the bright green and the light green. Kind of a problem of the color scheme I have for my console. But there you can see, print line coming through. So let's go back. And so that's one thing. There's also I showed you how to see differences between one branch and another. Actually, let's or actually one tag and another. I think I put off doing branches, but so let's actually do that now and just do a get branch. Okay, so we have two branches right here, and we could do a get log 1.1 and do dot master. So shows all the commits between master and 1.1x. So, and you can do more with that as well. Another command that you can use that might come in handy, which also allows you to see the differences between them, between two branches, is get cherry. Kind of like cherry pick, and I usually do -v, and then you can specify the 1.1 and master, and this will just give you a list printed out to the command line. It's not particularly scrollable, but I could have done less or more or something here, and we'll just exit out of that. I think that get log gives you a lot more than get cherry does, but get cherry can be just a quick little useful. Actually, get cherry without the V will give you just all the hashes. So that could be useful for something in particular. And we'll get out of that. So those are just some little more advanced ways to actually get through your get repository. And as I said before, you can use those in conjunction with get k and its options and fill that in. So that's pretty much all for now.